What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to disable phone calls on any smartwatch. Whether you're using a Samsung smartwatch, an Apple smartwatch, any Chinese smartwatch like your Fit Pro, iWatch Pro smartwatch, Firebolt or any smartwatch at all, this video will guide you on how to disable the feature where whenever you get a call on your phone, you also get the same call on your smartwatch and you can actually just go ahead and pick it up or deny the call from your smartwatch. Now, to disable phone calls on your smartwatch, you want to first of all make sure that both your smartwatch and your phone are connected. In my case over here, I have the Fit Pro smartwatch over here, so I'll just go ahead and make sure it is connected to my Fit Pro smartwatch app. From the top, you can see that both devices are not connected, so I'll just go ahead and search for devices by clicking on the bind devices over here. And this is the name of my smartwatch. I'll make sure that both devices are actually connected via the app and via Bluetooth as well. Now, for you to be able to disable phone calls on your smartwatch, for most smartwatches, all you just have to do is to locate the notifications menu or the push notifications or push messages menu from your smartwatch app. In my case, it is the message push option over here. I'll go ahead and select it. And from the list of applications and options we have over here, you just want to go ahead and look for the call option. You also want to make sure you turn off anything related to making and receiving calls from over here. If yours, however, does not have the call option from over here to disable, another thing you can actually do to turn off or disable phone calls on your smartwatch is to basically just head over to the Bluetooth of your phone where your smartwatch is actually connected to your phone. As you can see, this is actually my smartwatch being connected via Bluetooth as well. And then you just want to go ahead and click on the icon at the right hand side over here. And then from over here, you're actually going to see the call audio. You just basically want to make sure you turn off this option. And automatically, your smartwatch should be unable to make and receive calls from your phone. So at this point, if you try to make a call on your smartwatch, you're going to find out that it is not going to work because you have actually disabled the phone call audio or phone call feature from your smartwatch app. Now, these are basically the two ways you can turn off or disable phone calls on any smartwatch, whether it's an Apple smartwatch or a Samsung smartwatch or any of these Chinese smartwatch with different smartwatch apps. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.